everyone, I'm going to show you how to make homemade foaming hand soap. I've been doing this for years and it works every time, and it saves a lot of money because it goes a lot further. So I fill it up about 3/4 of the way, maybe a little bit more, with just water, and you want to do it slowly because if it has soap in it already, or the residue from the soap, it'll get really foamy. You want to do the water first and then add the soap. So you just want to go in and squeeze just a big amount. I don't measure this, and it usually turns out, sometimes I have to add a little bit more or a little bit more water. But I want to be able to see the soap in about this much section of the bottom. So I turn that around, you can probably see the soap floating around. So when you have it flat, I would say about right here, so maybe that last inch, you want to be able to see the soap down in there. And put that on tight, and I just tip it upside down. Don't shake it. Just go like this once, twice,